Hey guys, hola hola. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos. And today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips on how to look expensive when you're on a budget. All right, guys, I am a big, firm believer on dressing well without having to deplete your bank account. One of the things when I first started my blog a few years ago, back in like 2013, was everybody's always used to ask me, where'd you get your outfit? Where'd you get your outfit? It looks very nice, very well put together. And when I used to tell them that these outfits were like less than 50 bucks, or I got this in Forever 21 or H&M, something super expensive, people wouldn't believe me. So that's kind of the reason why I started my blog. I'm a big believer in that you can dress well without having to spend $100 on a top or something like that. And also that's the same purpose for this channel. I want to share tips with you guys on how to dress well without having to spend a lot of money. I'm definitely not saying that I don't splurge on a few items. Sure, it's okay to splurge on an item or two, but that doesn't mean that I need to spend a lot of money on everything I'm wearing head to toe. I mean, ain't nobody got time for that. So if you're looking for ways on how to look expensive if you're on a budget, then keep watching this video. All right, let's get started with tip number one. Tip number one is wear black. Black is a very neutral color. It matches everything. It matches every color, every pattern. And if you're not a big fan of black, then I suggest kind of just adding a little bit of black and then kind of matching like a different color or a different pattern. Me personally, I'm a big fan of black, so this one is the easy one for me. Just the color black just makes you look kind of mysterious, expensive, like it just kind of makes you look very different. So that's why I believe the color black just gives you a little bit of a touch of expensiveness on your outfit. Number two is a favorite of mine. It's blazers. Blazers are such a structured part of like a look. It gives you a polished, finished look, and it definitely makes the look expensive. I'm going to be sharing a blazer video with you guys coming up, and I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite blazers. I'm a big fan of blazers. I just feel like it just completes a look. And the best part about it is that it matches with everything. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with pants, you can wear it with pretty much anything. And it just kind of completes the look and just makes you look more polished. All right, the next one is a structured bag. I feel that a structured bag just kind of puts a look together. I love trendy bags, don't get me wrong, the transparent and different styles, different sizes. I definitely love all trendy bags, but I definitely make sure to have a few structured bags in my closet. A good place to shop for structured bags when you don't want to spend too much money is H&M. I feel like they have the best structured bags for like super inexpensive, like under $30. I have a few bags from there, and people kind of always ask me, where'd you get that bag? Is it a designer bag? And I'm like, no girl, this is from H&M. I love shopping there, so definitely check out H&M's bag section, and they have a ton of structured bags. And when I say structured bag, it doesn't necessarily have to be like a bigger tote or anything oversized like that. It can be a clutch. In this example that I'm sharing with you guys, you can see it's a little clutch, but it's structured. So it looks very expensive. It looks like a name brand kind of clutch. All right, the next one is sunglasses. I am a big sunglass lover. I'm a sunglass junkie. I've been asking people to help me out how to store my sunglasses because it's out of control, but I feel sunglasses are such a key accessory. Try sunglasses with your outfit and you can see the difference that it gives your outfit a more like celebrity status, mysterious kind of look, and it just makes you look more expensive, more polished. It's funny because when I first started taking pictures for my blog, I used to hate wearing glasses. It just made me feel like I thought like I was all that in a bag of chips, and trust me, that is not me at all. I'm a total goofball, but I just felt like the sunglasses just kind of made me look that way. But now I got over that and I love sunglasses. I feel like I cannot leave the house without a pair of sunglasses, but definitely try sunglasses to kind of elevate your look, and you'll see the difference when you wear them. All right, and last but not least, here's my last tip on how to look expensive when you're on a budget. try statement accessories, especially if you're not a big fan of sunglasses, of the one I mentioned previously. If you're not a big fan of sunglasses, then try statement accessories. It can be earrings, it can be a belt. In this example that I'm sharing with you guys, I threw a oversized belt over the blazer, and it just gave the look a very like nice polished look. It's so crazy what a little accessory can do to an outfit. If you see this look without the belt, it's like a totally different outfit. Accessories honestly can make a huge difference. Try a necklace, try earrings, try anything, any accessory like that that you like. It just will make a big difference in your outfit. All right, guys, there you have it. Those are my tips on how to look expensive when you're on a budget. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you definitely can dress great without having to spend so much money on clothes. It's okay to splurge on an item or two, but that doesn't mean that your entire wardrobe has to be super pricey to look good. Absolutely not. Like I said in the beginning of this video, one of the main reasons why I started my blog and why I opened up this channel is to share with you guys these tips and a ton of outfit ideas that I hope you guys learn and share, that you can look good without having to spend so much money. So if you try any of these tips, comment down below and let me know if these tips help you out. That would make me so happy to know if you guys like these tips and it worked out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. There's a new video here every Thursday and every Sunday. You can also follow me on social media like Instagram at Patty's_closet. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.